Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery, and today I'm going to show you how we break down our Uni-Kote. So after you've coated your screens, we need to take the remaining emulsion and get it back into the bucket, clean our troughs. And we also want to ensure that the machine is off. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your emulsion bucket and place it in the basin here. Crack the lid open. And then we are going to remove the trough. So how we remove that, again, we're just going to turn the thumb screws to the side, and it kind of just comes in, just lift in an upward motion. You should be able to take that out fairly simple. I'm just going to dump it into the bucket using our emulsion paddle. We're going to get the bulk of it back into the bucket. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to put them in our eco rinse to rinse them out. It allows me to work on other activities. So how we do this, they kind of just sit right here in this rail, and I'm going to slide those all the way back. Additionally, up here we have, it's essentially a brake for the gantry that moves. Here we have standard for our screens. Over here we have T for troughs. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust that brake all the way over to the center of that for the troughs. Okay, we're going to grab our next trough, again, just lifting up, pouring it back into the bucket using our emulsion paddle, getting the remainder of the emulsion back in there. And then I'm going to set that. Now I don't put them too close together. I'm going to have them spaced out just a little bit. All right, so then we're going to close our door. I'm going to come over to the interface, and I'm going to hit main. We're going to go to recipes, and here we have troughs and 40 mesh. So we're rinsing troughs. I'm going to hold the load button. There we go, it just loaded it. We'll go back to main, hit auto menu, start cycle, and that's going to clean them for us. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, you want to make sure that your lid is closed. All right? Closed all the way. Turn the power off on the machine. I'm going to place my bucket right down next to the machine. Again, you want to make sure that your emulsion paddle is nice and clean for the next use, so the emulsion does not dry on it. And I'll show you what the troughs look like as soon as we come back. Thanks, guys. So our troughs have been washed out, as you can see, pretty darn clean. So what you're going to do is you're just going to remove the trough. Use your rag here by the basin. And you just want to hand dry it. And then once you get it dry with the rag, what I like to do is grab some compressed air and blow it out. It's going to be a little loud, so I'm not going to do that, but you would just blow this guy out, the back of it out, and then you're going to want to go ahead and replace that back onto your Uni-Kote for your next round of production. All right, thanks, guys.